Welcome to your proactive routine, part of our Own Your Time series. This course is grounded in the fact that the secret to finding time is making that time. A routine is essentially a plan for how we structure our days. It's all about doing the right work at the right time with the right mindset. And this proactive routine concept is grounded in 5 core principles. The first is that habits drive our results. Now, brushing our teeth is a great example of a habit. So no matter how tired we are, we probably still brush our teeth at night. But flossing is a different story. You might think, oh, I'm tired, I'll floss in the morning. Well, brushing our teeth is an example of a habit versus flossing our teeth, which requires discipline. A proactive routine builds essential habits into your day around what's most important to you. The second principle is that our energy oscillates. And for most of us, our energy oscillates with this pattern where we have a peak in the morning, trough in the afternoon, and a recovery later in the evening. There are some exceptions, but of course, what we want to do is align our work to our energy throughout the day. And there's different times in the day most appropriate for different types of work. Our most essential work should be aligned to our highest energy. And we want to think about that as we build our routine. Principle number 3, work expands to fill the time allotted, otherwise known as Parkinson's Law. The opposite is also true. When that meeting runs over, when the deadline moves up, we find a way to get it done. And that is a great rationale for creating a routine with micro deadlines in your day to keep your work really tight. We also know, principle number 4, that focus beats multitasking. So a routine can protect time for your focused work, but also all those important supporting tasks while enabling you to still be responsive and have that protected independent work time. Principle number 5 is that our time is finite. And we're pulled in many different directions, but it's so important for us to be clear on what those 3 core priorities are. And of course, we have other tasks vying for our attention. We have supporting tasks, those future priorities that we want to get to as soon as these 3 are done. We have distracting tasks we want to be very cognizant of so we can manage them. And we have personal tasks. The only time to book a dental appointment is during the day. So we do have to balance all of these needs. But the most effective people protect a minimum of 60% of their day, and they do so with a proactive routine for those core priorities. All of this comes together in a routine, and this is a sample routine. In this course, I'm going to show you how to build your own routine that's not only going to include your professional life, but also your personal life, your personal projects, your wellness rituals, and everything that's important to you. Overall, your routine is the best formula to help you create a life of design versus living by default. It's all about creating versus reacting to your day. And I think too many of us spend too much time reacting versus being proactive. And it's really about planning for versus hoping for an ideal day. This module, your proactive routine, really does work in collaboration with the other modules in our Own Your Time program. So I do encourage you to study these other modules as you're building your proactive routine. For more information about productivity, collaboration, or mindset to do your best work, check out our website. We have a wealth of resources there. Overall, thank you for your time today, and I wish you all the best.